Welcome to your perfect retreat in the desirable Baytree 55+ community. This delightful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home offers an open floor plan, ideal for both relaxation and entertaining. The inviting living area seamlessly connects to the kitchen, creating a warm and welcoming space for family and friends. Step into the spacious primary suite, featuring a large walk-in shower and dual sinks for added convenience. With laminate flooring in the bedrooms, upkeep is a breeze, making this home as practical as it is beautiful. Enjoy serene views from your enclosed lanai, overlooking lush community greenspace, perfect for morning coffee or evening beverages. The community's affordable HOA covers lawn mowing, irrigation, landscape trimming, and annual power washing, ensuring your home always looks its best. Take advantage of the fantastic amenities, including a clubhouse with a pool, library, and exercise room. Join in on activities like water aerobics, card games, and monthly dinners, fostering a vibrant social life. With golf cart-friendly streets, you're just minutes away from the downtown entertainment district, scenic lakes, shopping, and an array of dining options. Ready to move in and start enjoying the active lifestyle you've been dreaming of.